Hello everyone, welcome back to our past paper discussion. Today we are diving into second question of the series. Let's get started. This is a very simple question. Solve 2x less than 26. Only two step. First, I want the inequality to be x is less than or x is greater than or equal to what? So not 2x, so divide by 2. That's the first step. So in this case, what I will get? 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so I will get a pure x less than 13. That's simple. So whatever the number less than 13, all will be the solution for this. So simply this. Very simple question, and that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will be meeting in the next video with the next solution very soon. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing. And also, please make sure if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.